Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how to create QR code with your PC very easy. For this I'll teach you 3 ways. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Let's get started. Method 1. Using online services. Open Google Chrome browser and search for QR code generator. Go to this website. In this section, specify your QR code type, for example, text or link. In this section, based on the type of your QR code, put its data. By clicking on Option, you can change QR code style. By clicking on Logo, you can add a logo to center of your QR code. Scroll down and by clicking on Frames, you can add a frame around your QR code. Finally, you can download QR code image with PNG or SVG format. As you see, this website requires to create account to download, but there are similar websites that do not require registration. Method 2. Using software. Open Microsoft Store and search for QR code generator. Now click on any software you want. For example, I choose the software that have 4 star and above. Click on Get button and wait for download and install. Now click Open. From the section, you can choose your QR code content type. Write QR code data here. You can see the preview and by clicking on Save button, you can save QR code file with PNG format. To save with SVG format, you need to buy the Pro version of the software. Of course, you can also find free software that will do this for you for free. Method 3. Using Google Chrome. This method is suitable for making QR codes that have links inside. Now, I'm in the website I want to make a QR code from. Right-click on any blank section of page. Click on this option. And as you can see, QR code created. By clicking on Download button, you can download the QR code image as PNG file. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Have a good time, my friends.